Hello, my friends. Welcome to my English channel. I am very happy you are here today. In this video, we will talk about something very important. Today's topic is daily English practice that actually works. Many people try to learn English, but they do not know the right way. Some people study English for many years, but they still cannot speak well. Why? Because they do not practice English in a simple and correct way. In this video, I will tell you easy and real ways to practice English every day. These methods really work. You do not need expensive classes. You do not need to live in an English-speaking country. You just need time, practice, and a little discipline. So let us begin this beautiful journey together. Let's learn how to practice English every day in a way that really works. Why daily practice is important. If you want to be good at anything, you need to do it every day. This is also true for English. You cannot learn English in one day. It takes time. When you practice every day, your brain remembers better. Your ears understand better. Your mouth speaks better. When you skip many days, you forget. It becomes hard again. Think about brushing your teeth. You do it every day. It is a habit. English practice should also be a habit. Even 10 or 15 minutes a day can help a lot. If you do it every day, your English will improve slowly and surely. It is like watering a plant. If you water it daily, it grows. If you forget, it dies. English is the same. Daily practice helps your English grow strong and fast. Start with listening every day. Listening is the first step. Before you speak English, you must listen. Babies do not speak at first. They listen to their parents for many months, then they speak. You must do the same. Listen to English every day. You can listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, English movies, or songs. Choose easy English at first. Listen to the same audio many times. This helps your brain learn the sound of English. Do not worry if you do not understand every word. That is okay. Just listen again and again. Soon your ears will catch the meaning. You will hear the words clearly. Listening every day helps you understand English and improves your pronunciation too. Repeat what you hear. Shadowing technique. Now, after listening, do this next step. It is called shadowing. Shadowing means you listen and repeat at the same time. You speak like an echo. You follow the speaker and copy their words. This is a very powerful method. It helps your speaking and pronunciation. You do not think too much. You just copy. You train your mouth to speak like a native. Start with short videos or easy audio. Play one sentence. Pause. Say it loudly. Repeat again. Try to copy the same voice, tone, and speed. Do this every day for 10 minutes. It will change your English speaking skills fast. Shadowing is like practicing with a real teacher, but you can do it alone, just you and your voice. Speak to yourself daily in English. Speaking is hard at first. Many people feel shy, but do not worry. You can speak to yourself. Talk about your day. Say things like, I am brushing my teeth, or now I am going to work. Use English for simple daily things. Look in the mirror and talk. Pretend you are talking to someone. Ask questions. Answer them. For example, how are you today? I am fine, thank you. Make it fun. Be your own English friend. This daily speaking helps your brain think in English. You will feel more confident. You will not be afraid to talk to others. Daily self-talk is a secret trick that really works. Use a notebook. Write every day. Writing is also important. Keep a small notebook. Write in English every day. It can be very simple. Write 5 new words every day. Write a short story. Write about your feelings. You can write about your school, your job, your family, or your dreams. Try to write a small paragraph. Check your spelling. Look at grammar later. The goal is to think and write in English. Writing every day improves your vocabulary. It makes your mind ready to use English in speaking too. If you write daily for 30 days, you will see a big change. Your English becomes better and clearer. Read simple English every day. Reading is a quiet but strong way to learn English. Start with simple books. You can read children's stories, easy articles, or English subtitles. Read loudly. Read slowly. This helps your mouth and brain work together. Reading improves your vocabulary. You learn how words are used. You understand grammar without studying grammar books. Try to read for 10 to 15 minutes every day. If you do not understand a word, write it down. Search later, but do not stop reading. Daily reading will help you speak better, write better, and think in English. Use English in real-life situations. If you can, try to use English in your real life. If you go to a shop, try to say thank you in English. If you meet someone new, say hello in English. Join English groups online. Find a language partner. Use English on your phone. Change your settings to English. Use English to search on the internet. Try to live with English every day. Even small things help. Do not wait for a big chance to speak. Make small chances every day. That is how you grow. Do not fear mistakes. Learn from them. Many people do not speak because they are afraid of mistakes. They feel shy. They think people will laugh. But this is wrong. Mistakes are a part of learning. When you make a mistake, you learn something new. It is okay to say the wrong word. It is okay to forget grammar. What is important is that you try. Speak even if it is not perfect. Write even if it has errors. You will improve every day. The more you practice, the better you become. So be brave. Practice daily. Do not worry about being perfect. Practice is better than perfection. Create a routine and stay consistent. To make English better, you need a plan. Make a small daily routine. For example, morning, listen and repeat for 10 minutes. Afternoon, write a short paragraph. Evening, read one English story. Before sleep, talk to yourself in English. This is just an example, you can change it, but follow it every day. Make English a habit. Just like brushing your teeth or eating food, when you follow a routine, your brain knows what to do. You become better without stress. Daily, small actions give big results. Be consistent. That is the secret. So, my dear friends, we have learned a lot today. We talked about daily English practice that really works. We saw how listening, speaking, reading and writing every day can change your English. We learned about shadowing, self-talk and real-life use. The key is not to stop. Practice every day. Make it simple. Make it fun. Make it your daily friend. You will see the magic. English will become easy for you. You will speak with confidence. You will understand with joy. So, start today. Start now. Take one step and then another. Keep going. I am with you on this journey. You can do it. English is not hard. Daily practice makes it easy. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more simple English stories and lessons. See you next time. Keep practicing and keep smiling.